The future of credit cards in India. Introduction. Welcome back to Money and Credit Simplified. Today we are diving into the future of credit cards in India. How UPI, fintech innovation, and digital transformation are reshaping plastic money as we know it. The transformation begins. India's credit card landscape is experiencing unprecedented change. The digital payments revolution, fintech innovation, and evolving regulations are creating exciting new possibilities for both consumers and businesses. From physical plastic to digital identities, credit cards are adapting to India's tech-forward financial ecosystem while maintaining their core value proposition of convenience and credit access. UPI integration, the game changer. Let's start with the biggest transformation, UPI integration. This is truly a game changer for India's payment ecosystem. Here's what's happening. Seamless payments. Credit cards now link directly with UPI, enabling QR code and UPI ID payments without traditional card machines. Imagine paying for your morning tea using your credit card through a simple UPI QR scan. That's the reality today. Merchant accessibility. This integration is revolutionary for small businesses. Smaller merchants can now accept credit card payments through UPI without investing in expensive POS systems. Your neighborhood's Kirana store can now accept your credit card payment through their existing UPI setup. Enhanced convenience. As customers, you enjoy credit benefits with UPI's familiar simplicity, perfectly bridging traditional and digital payment methods. The best of both worlds. Credit facility with UPI convenience. RuPay rising, India's homegrown payment network. Now let's talk about RuPay's emergence as India's homegrown payment network. RuPay credit cards are gaining significant momentum backed by NPCI and integrated with UPI infrastructure. This domestic alternative is strategically reducing our reliance on international payment networks. Here are the key advantages. Lower transaction costs. Domestic processing significantly reduces fees for both merchants and consumers. This means better pricing for everyone in the ecosystem. Financial inclusion. RBI's strong push makes credit accessible to underserved segments of our population, bringing credit cards to areas previously untouched by traditional banking. National security. Most importantly, reduced dependence on foreign payment networks strengthens our financial sovereignty and data security. RuPay represents India's vision of self-reliant digital payment infrastructure. Fintech revolution in action. Now let's explore the fintech revolution that's transforming how we interact with credit cards. Digital first design. Modern credit cards come with app-based management featuring real-time spending insights, instant notifications, and personalized financial recommendations powered by AI. Your card app now acts like your personal financial advisor. Instant EMI solutions. You can convert transactions to EMIs instantly through mobile apps, offering flexible payment options without complex paperwork or bank visits. Bought a smartphone? Converted to EMI with just a few taps. BNPL integration. Credit cards are merging with buy now, pay later models, providing multiple payment windows and interest-free periods for different purchase categories. This gives you unprecedented flexibility in managing your cash flow. Important note, while these innovations offer tremendous convenience and flexibility, they also raise legitimate concerns about overspending and debt accumulation, especially among young consumers. The ease of credit access requires responsible usage. RBI's regulatory framework. The Reserve Bank of India is playing a balancing role through comprehensive regulatory frameworks. Transparency guidelines. Clearer disclosure of charges, interest rates, and terms to protect consumers from hidden fees. No more surprising charges that weren't clearly communicated upfront. Issuance standards. Tighter rules on credit card approval processes and income verification requirements ensure that credit is extended responsibly based on genuine repayment capacity. Collection practices. Fair debt collection norms protect customers from harassment and unethical recovery methods. Your rights as a borrower are now better protected. Innovation balance. Most importantly, RBI is promoting fintech innovation while ensuring consumer protection and financial stability, fostering growth without compromising security. Security and technology evolution. Let's discuss the security and technology evolution, making credit cards safer than ever. Next generation protection. Advanced security measures are revolutionizing credit card safety.
Tokenization, your actual card details are replaced with unique tokens for each transaction. So merchants never see your real card numbers. Biometric authentication, fingerprint and facial recognition provides secure, convenient payment authorization. AI fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms identify suspicious patterns instantly, often preventing fraud before it happens. Virtual cards. Temporary card numbers for online shopping provide an extra layer of protection for digital transactions. These technologies significantly reduce fraud while maintaining payment convenience for users like me and you. The road ahead. Timeline for transformation. Looking ahead, here the timeline for credit card evolution in India. 2024 to 2025 digital integration phase. We are witnessing complete UPI credit card convergence with widespread merchant adoption across urban and rural areas. 26 to 27 virtual dominance. Physical cards will become secondary to app-based digital identities. Your smartphone will essentially become your primary credit card. 2028 to 2030 ecosystem integration. Credit cards will be fully embedded in India's digital economy infrastructure, seamlessly integrated with everything from e-commerce to government services. Credit cards will evolve from physical plastic to integrated digital financial tools, seamlessly woven into India's expanding digital payment ecosystem. Key takeaways. Let me summarize the key takeaways about the future of credit cards in India. Innovation meets regulation. RBI's balanced approach ensures consumer protection while fostering fintech innovation and digital transformation. This creates a safe environment for both innovation and users. UPI integration success. Credit cards linked with UPI create unprecedented convenience and accessibility for Indian consumers and merchants. This integration is uniquely Indian and serves our market perfectly. Digital first future. Physical cards are giving way to app-based solutions with enhanced security and personalized features. The future is definitely digital. Remember this important quote. Used wisely, credit cards will continue to be a powerful tool for convenience and credit access in India's evolving financial landscape. The key word here is wisely. With great power comes great responsibility. What's next? The future of credit cards in India promises exciting developments, innovation, regulation, and digital transformation, all working together to create a safer, more convenient, and more inclusive financial ecosystem. As we navigate this transformation, remember that these tools are only as good as how responsibly we use them. Stay informed, spend wisely, and leverage these innovations to build your financial future. What's coming next? In our next video, we'll explore the basics of managing money smartly in India. Practical picks for building financial wellness that will serve you throughout this digital transformation. If this video helped you understand the future of credit cards in India, please hit the like button and subscribe to Money and Credit Simplified. Join us in making finance simple, accessible, and actionable for everyone. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest insights on India's evolving financial landscape. Your financial journey continues with us. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.